Bravery. It's not the absence of fear. It's the hope that gives us power to persevere. In our bravery, selflessness becomes our identity. Compassion, our armor. And kindness is a brilliant spark that guides us out of the darkness. In our bravery, families will be connected, lovers will be reunited. When the wounds of nature heal and the earth embraces its greenery again, heroes will be celebrated louder than ever. In our bravery, we will persevere and color the skies once again with our island cheer. Stronger in our bravery together, we will always rise above the fear. Lankan Airlines, you're our world.